Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. Your back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. A brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I know you missed one video of this, okay? I know you missed one of these videos. Okay, if you're talking about this hair, this one, just right now, I'm going to upload this video. I think today, I'm sorry, but today I'm going to upload 2 videos because you need to say these contact lenses, okay? You need to say it. I'm going to upload after this video, okay? So this is the package, my dress and everything. This is my dress and everything. There's this package with wonderful things inside. I have this. It's so cute. Okay, let's send me the marks. I already have it. It finished. But thank you, guys. Yeah. And okay. I have contact lenses. I wear one right now is the DF07 from the Dramatic collection. Okay, I have contact lenses. The Dramatic collection video is coming. Water, new things is here. Let's go. I want to show you everything, but I'm not going to talk so you can see everything clearly and all that. How many things here? I'm going to review these ones right now because I love them, and all with my prescription because your girl is blind. Okay, and they have, okay, let me remove it. They have clearly contact lenses for people like me that are blind, and sometimes you don't want to wear a color contacts. You wear clear contacts so you can say go cute with your eye color too. So but with contacts with competition because you guys is blind. Okay, so I'm going to review them right now. My baby's out there crying, so I'm coming. So let me show you because I know open it. You can see if you open it, you're going to show here. So let me open it. So see how it look. Okay, it come like this. As you can see, you can't see nothing because they are clear lenses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. So, and it's a weekly contact lenses. So after 1 week you have to throw it on. After 1 week you wear it. So if you stay in the box like this, you can stay with it 1 year. You have, I think, due date too. I don't know where is the date. Okay, so yes, the 4 April of 224. How it look? It looks transparent, or it's going to look with some shiny or something like that. Let me try one of them. I'm going to try it and show it. I'm going to do like a lookbook so you can see them all and the other ones too. So yeah, I hope you like them because me I'm going to try it. And don't forget, my baby's here talking. What do you want? So don't forget my discount code is JK10 for you to have 10% off. Yes, JK10. I'm going to leave them from all the videos so you can go. I'm going to leave the links down below too so you can check them out and all that. Okay, so yeah, bye bye, see you in my next video. Bye. baby, okay?